How can I recover the return value of a function passed to multiprocessing.Process? In the example code below, I'd like to recover the return value of the function worker. How can I go about doing this? Where is this value stored? Example code. Output. I can't seem to find the relevant attribute in the object stored in jobs.
You shared variable communicate. For example, like this.
I think the approach suggested by @Sega_Sai is the better one. But it really needs a code example, so here goes. Which will print the return values. If you are familiar with map, the Python 2 built-in, this should not be too challenging. Otherwise have a look at Sega_Sai's link. Note how little code is needed. Also note how processes are reused.
For anyone else who is seeking how to get a value from a process using Q, note that in Windows or Jupyter Notebook, with multi-threading you have to save this as a file and execute the file. If you do it in a command prompt you will see an error like this.
For some reason, I couldn't find a general example of how to do this with Q anywhere. Even Python stock examples don't spawn multiple processes, so here's what I got working after like 10 tries. Q is a blocking, thread-safe queue that you can use to store the return values from the child processes. So you have to pass the queue to each process. Something less obvious here is that you have to get from the queue before you join the processes, or else the queue fills up and blocks everything. Update for those who are object-oriented, tested in Python 3.4.